Your hands or feet may have nerve damage. If you've noticed tingling or burning, there is damage to the nerves that carry electrical signals. Can result in pain, numbness or weakness. Peripheral neuropathy is a disorder that frequently arises from conditions like excessive blood sugar and poor circulation. Thankfully, some vitamins, including antioxidants, minerals and phytonutrients, can promote normal nerve recovery in healing nerves naturally. Unveiling 7 vital vitamins. We examine these substances' potential benefits. Number 1 is benfotiamine, which is vitamin B1. 300 mg twice daily. Helps reduce inflammation and maintain the health of the nervous system. Fish liver oil. For the health of the brain and nerves, take 1 teaspoon of DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, daily. B-complex nutritional yeast. B vitamins are enhanced for nerve support by 2 to 3. Test daily curcumin, a component of turmeric, reduces inflammation and promotes the healing of damaged nerves. Alpha-lipoic acid will be the first thing on our list. This organic antioxidant is well known for its amazing capacity to restore and heal nerves. A 600 mg alpha-lipoic acid supplement, taken 3 times a day, will significantly lessen symptoms like discomfort, tingling and prickling in the hands, feet and legs in Germany. It is actually frequently prescribed for these uses. The ability of alpha-lipoic acid to increase blood flow to the nerves, supplying them with vital nutrition and shielding them from oxidative damage, is one of its main advantages. In addition to supplements, you can also get alpha-lipoic acid from premium red meat and organ meats, like pasteurized beef, cod liver and cow liver. These wholesome food sources can enhance the effects of alpha-lipoic acid supplements, promote greater nerve health in your diet. Moving on to vitamin B1, specifically benfotiamine, which is the second essential vitamin for nerve repair. Overindulging in junk food and having high blood sugar levels can cause inflammation and oxidative damage to the blood vessels that supply your nerves, which can cause nerve disorders. You can think about taking 300 mg of benfotiamine twice a day to naturally solve these problems. The fatty outer coating of your nerves, myelin, which is easily penetrated by benfotiamine, since it is fat-soluble, helps to speed up internal healing. By doing this, it successfully stops your nerves from malfunctioning and transmitting the wrong signals to your brain, which frequently result in pain, numbness, hand tingling feelings. Benfotiamine is also a great anxiety treatment, since it relaxes the nervous system and promotes stability, attention and relaxation. In addition to pills, you can get regular B1 thiamine from eating foods like asparagus, sunflower seeds, beef liver and pastured eggs. Let's now discuss item number 3, which is extra virgin cod liver oil. Consuming a lot of DHA-rich omega-3 foods is essential for nourishing and mending your nerves and brain. DHA, a particular kind of omega-3 fatty acid, is the most prevalent fatty acid in the brain because it helps your body build new, healthy neurons and nerve cells. While fatty fish, like wild salmon, sardines, anchovies, and mackerel contain DHA, the most effective natural source is walnuts, with their strong anti-inflammatory qualities. The omega-3 fats in cod liver oil help to cure any areas of swelling and inflammation that might be affecting your nerves. The fourth one is nutritious yeast. Let's now examine nutritional yeast, one of my favorite foods for improving health. I strongly advise including 2 to 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes in your diet each day if you want to repair nerve damage and stop future problems. The vital B vitamins B1, B3, B5 and B6 are all found in abundance in nutritional yeast flakes, making them a nutritional powerhouse that is crucial for maintaining a healthy nervous system. Because nutritional yeast enhances glucose metabolism. Regular consumption can help you control your blood sugar levels, reverse neuropathy, and have more energy. In addition to nutritional yeast, other foods, like shellfish, seafood, eggs, and dairy products, also include the B-complex vitamins. Accepting these B vitamin-rich foods can greatly improve your long-term well-being and general nerve health. Turmeric is on 5th number. Next on our list is curcumin, a remarkable active component found in large quantities in turmeric, a spice from the ginger family. With a long history dating back over 4,000 years, turmeric is renowned for its effective anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving benefits, which help with a variety of health issues. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, used to stir fries, curries, or even blended into milk, can do wonders for your nerves, repairing them and reducing different kinds of nerve discomfort. I strongly advise adding a pinch of black pepper to promote curcumin absorption, because it can increase it by an astounding 2,000% in your body. Additionally, turmeric helps your liver produce glutathione, the powerful antioxidant that heals and feeds your neurological system. This video has a lot of information, so feel free to pause, rewind and take notes as necessary. Having this knowledge at your disposal will unquestionably make you healthier and happier. The 6th essential nutrient for your nerves is zinc. This necessary mineral is crucial for the development of the neuronal, hormonal and neurotransmitter systems that maintain your nervous system. Notably, zinc is very beneficial for people with diabetes, since it works extremely well at protecting and mending the nerves in your eyes. Consider eating oysters, seaweed, crab meat, liver beef, and pumpkin seeds to add additional zinc to your diet. These meals, high in zinc, help strengthen your nervous system and improve your general health. As an alternative, you can decide to take a daily supplement of 30 milligrams zinc chelate to make sure you're getting enough zinc. The advantages of zinc go beyond maintaining healthy nerves, because it also helps to stabilize blood sugar levels and guard against additional nerve damage. You can actively contribute to greater overall health and the support of your nervous system by including zinc in your diet or supplement regimen. Vitamin B12. Let's now concentrate on vitamin B12, a necessary essential for repairing nerve damage. Vitamin B12 deficiency is quite frequent, particularly in older people or people who eat a plant-based diet, like vegans or vegetarians. However, because it is needed for creating the myelin sheath, which serves as the nerve's protective outer layer, vitamin B12 is very necessary for your nerves. Consider including shellfish, seafood, red meats, eggs and algae in your diet to be sure you're getting enough vitamin B12. These foods are abundant providers of this crucial nutrient. You might choose a daily dose of 1800 mg B12 in the form of methylcobalamin, which is preferable to cyanobalamin due to potential hazardous side effects, for successful nerve regeneration. As you can see, a variety of potent nutrients and vitamins can be used to heal and restore your nerves, restoring regular sensation to your toes, fingers, hands, feet, and other injured nerve locations throughout your body. You may speed up the healing and repair of nerve damaging your body by eating these foods and consuming more of the crucial nutrients covered in this video. We appreciate you watching this video. I continue to wish you good health, prosperity and happiness.